stepping up. UOPN.
What's going on, everybody? It is your girl Jade, and I am back for another wig review for you guys. This video is actually sponsored by Klaiyi hair. I want to say their name is, but they reached out to me via email and wanted me to do a review on their unit. So I got this unit from their store on Amazon, but they also have a full website, so it's not just on Amazon. I wasn't able to find this particular unit on their website, but it is on Amazon, and that's where I purchased this unit from. And it was about $33, so it wasn't so bad. But like I said, this is a paid advertisement or sponsorship from Klaiyi hair. Now this is their curly synthetic lace front hair. So this is in the color 1B. And as you can see, it is very curly. It's kind of thick. Not kind of thick. It is thick. It did have a little bit. It had I want to say a little bit. It had a strong odor to it, and I can't place what the odor is. And it still has, even after washing it and letting it air dry, it still kind of has a little bit of a smell to it. It's almost like burnt hair. I'm not sure what that smell is, but the hair is really soft. The curls, you know, bounce right back when you pull them. It is still a little bit wet because I washed it earlier today. Now, like I said, it is a lace front. It has a L-shaped part. It has 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and then it has the adjustable straps. Goodness, I've been recording all day, so excuse my voice. Since it's synthetic, you can't bleach the knots, but I'm going to do my best to kind of use my foundation to make it not so noticeable, but it does look like you're gonna have to do some plucking because the perimeter around the lace is it's not pre-plucked. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my head. Now I have a 22.5 head circumference. So this unit feels like it's big head friendly. Like I said, the curls are super soft. I'm not getting any kind of tangling or anything. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Turn my light on. You gotta be able to see better. That is a little better. Now I think I am going to have to wash this again because that smell is not, I don't even know what you would call this smell, that it kind of smells like burnt hair, but I don't know what that smell is. Okay, now that I cut the lace off of it. Now the part is L-shaped, so I'm going to take my foundation. I'm going to try some in this party space. I really should be right here. I don't want to cut too much hair off of it. Okay, so even finger detangling, finger combing through this hair, I'm not getting too much shedding at all. Overall, I think this is a really nice unit. I think it's going to take some more manipulation. Not too much manipulation to make it a little bit more realistic. And this parting space, I don't want to do too much more customizing to it because I'm going to have to wash it again anyway. So overall, I think this is a really nice unit. I don't have anything bad to say about it. I think if you did some baby hair here, and my edges are kind of slicked down like right here anyway, but if you wanted to, for your own personal preference, if you wanted to, you know, slick some little baby hair of your own in the front, you could do that. Separate the curls a little bit. Overall, I'm going to say that I like this unit. It is a pretty unit. It is very full. It is very thick. And this is the unit from the back. Oop, can you see that? I think it is very natural looking, and it could possibly even be beginner friendly because all you have to do is cut the lace off of it. Well, no, because you do have to wash it. At least mine came with the smell that I told you about, a little bit of a smell to it. I'm gonna have to wash it again because I can still, it still has a little bit of the smell in it. But overall, I do like this unit. It's a very pretty unit. It's very, very full. The curls just kind of bounce back to it. I really don't have anything bad to say about it, except it's going to have to be washed probably at least twice, because I have to wash it again just to get the smell out of it. But other than that, I don't have anything bad to say about the unit. It just, some units come with the smell, some don't. So that's all I have for you guys. Tune in next week where I'll be doing another wig review for you guys. And don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know what you thought about this unit. I'll leave everything about this unit in the description box below. Thank you, Klaiyi Hair. I hope I'm saying your company name correctly. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to drop me a like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button before you leave, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever you upload a new video. And until next week, I'm going to continue to play in this hair. And until next week, I will see you guys next week. Take care.